Hello and welcome to the official MOZA Racing track guide for the FIA F4 Global Esports Championship. This time it is at Rudskogen in the European region. The track guide is provided by Sambo iRacing, and let's start the hot lap. So here we are, smashing it down the main straight as we're looking for the 100-meter board on the right hand side. Now when we see it, that's when we're going to be braking for turn 1 up to about 80%, dropping it down to third gear, getting on the gas. Now tiny dab on the brakes and back on the gas as early as possible. By going as early as we did, it will send us out wide, but that's absolutely fine. It's what we're looking for. Now we're coming up to the tricky turns 3 and 4. I'm running 56% brake bias, and our braking marker is going to be just before the final white board on the right hand side that you see coming up here. We're not going to be braking hard, coming off the gas, braking initially up to about 20%. Now just holding it around 4 or 5%, dropping it down to third gear, getting back on the gas. Once we get over to that curbing on the right hand side, that's when we're going to turn in for turn 5. And that's just going to be a lift on the gas, tiny dab on the brakes. And now we're looking for this little white line up ahead. This is going to be our braking marker for turn 7. We get there braking up to about 40% and just waiting until we can get back onto full power using the loud pedal on exit. The braking marker for turn 10, the hairpin, is going to be the end of the white and red hoardings on the left hand side. As we get there, braking up to about 85%, dropping it all the way down to second gear, getting on the gas as early as possible. A little bit slippy on exit, be aware of that. And now we're trying to get all the way over to the right hand side, and as soon as we get to that white and red curbing on the right, that's when we're going to brake up to about 40%, to get down to third gear, making sure you cut that corner, exit nice and wide. We're just going to do a lift and a turn in at the end of the white and red curbings here. And then our braking marker is basically going to be as soon as we can straighten our wheel fully coming into the final corner. We're going to brake up to about 45%, drop it down to third straight away, and we're just holding the gas on around 60% until we see the end of the corner. That's when we can really blast away, exiting nice and wide, and we go over and across the line in a 119.8. Make sure you join us on iRacing this week for the FIA Global Esports Championship presented by MOZA.